don't forget your sunscreen. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Magdala. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the exact step and products that I use in my morning skincare routine. Before we get started, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First step is to cleanse my face. I am going to be using the CeraVe cleanser. I've been using this thing forever. This one is the foaming cleanser, and it's for normal to oil skin. So whatever skin type you have, this one will work for you. To use it, I just pump a bit into my hand like so. You just want to wet your hand and then just rub it into your skin. I have been using these little things for my lips and it's amazing. Once I'm done applying and make sure all my face is clean, I'm gonna go and rinse it out. For this video, I'm just gonna use a wet towel to clean that out. Once I'm done with cleansing my skin, I'm gonna move into step number 2, which is toner. I'm gonna be using the CeraVe toner. It is the hydrating toner for normal to dry skin. And to apply this, I'm just gonna use one of these little cotton pads. I'm just gonna apply some to it and just put it on my skin. And guys, make sure when you applying your toner, you are not putting it directly under your eyes, because this stuff is strong and we want to keep our eyes safe. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead with my little fan and just dry it. Moving on to step 3, I'm just going to be using a vitamin C serum. I have been using the e.l.f. one. I really like how it feels on my skin, but any vitamin C would be good. To apply it, I'm just going to just put some on my skin. And use my finger to apply it to my skin. Don't forget your neck, guys. Once I'm done applying it, I'm also gonna be using my fan to make sure that my skin absorb everything and that my skin is a bit dry before I move on to the next step. The next step, I am going to be using a serum. This is the discoloration correcting serum by Good Molecule. My best friend just put me onto this and I have to say I love it. To apply it, just like the vitamin C, I'm just gonna put some on my skin and then use my finger to work it into my skin. Again, once I'm done applying it, I'm gonna use my dandy little fan to dry everything off. Now, step 5, I'm going to be applying another serum. This is the Holy Hydration Triple Balm Serum from e.l.f. It has hyaluronic acid in it. And I've been using this for a little bit now, and when I say I love it, I love it. Once again, to apply, we're just gonna put a little bit on our skin. and use our hand to work it into our skin. Honestly, I used to think that skincare is just it's just extra, and now I found so much joy in just, you know, doing my skincare because it just feels so good. So I know a lot of the time we don't have the time to do it, but when you can, go ahead and give your skin the love that it deserves. The next step, I'm going to be using the Good Molecule Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel Eye Patches. Now, this, I don't use it all the time just because you have to let it set, and most of the time I'm in a hurry. So I only use this when I have a little extra time on my hand. To use it, I'm just gonna take the little patches. You kind of have to be careful because they're so thin, and sometimes I feel like I'm putting more than one under my eye, especially with nails. After applying it, I like to go and kind of like massage it into my skin a little bit, and then I leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. While this is setting, I was just looking over my analytics. I just want to say thank you for all you guys who have subscribed to my channel. I am currently at 128 subscribers. I know we still have a long way to go, but we definitely very far from where we started. So thank you so much. And if you have not done so, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so remember how I told you guys I don't do the eye patch every single morning, especially when I'm in a bit of a rush? This is what I go with. This is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Eye Cream. It has been working wonders for me because I struggle with very dark circle under my eyes. So when I'm on the go and I don't have the time, this is what I use. While this is setting, it's almost been 15 minutes. I like to go with the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Lip Mask. My lips get super dry, and sometimes they even bleed. So this has been my favorite thing to do. Every day I put it on, and it just keeps my lips moisturized like throughout the day. I'm just gonna use a little bit and work that into my lips. Now that it's been 15 minutes, I'm going to just take off these patches. And then I'm gonna take my finger and kind of just rub the excess liquid. Next, I'm going to go with a moisturizer. Again, this is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Moisturizer. I've been using it for a little while now. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, so I love using that. Just gonna apply it directly to my skin and go with my fingers to rub it into my skin. And last but not least, I'm going with some sunscreen. I have been using the CeraVe AM sunscreen. It's just worked for me because it doesn't leave a white residue afterwards, which I love. I just go ahead and apply some dots into my face and then work it in. I used to hate putting on sunscreen, And then I try my very best not to leave the house without sunscreen, because one, I live in Arizona where the sun is always shining, and two, I just think it really does help my skin. So don't forget your sunscreen. Alright, this is it guys. This is my full morning skincare routine. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments below and I will do my best to answer them. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.